Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. So this is the update of my craft room tour. You guys, hot mess. I'm actually in my master bedroom on the bed because this is what I've been living with and my husband's going crazy. All of my craft room is moved out. All this major furniture has been out. Look at this, you guys. This is like fire hazard, earthquake zone. This is how I've been crafting. Literally, I have shelving units just stacked up to basically the ceiling. Because my craft room is getting a walkway, its own entrance. That was the main issue. Because you had to get through it through the master bedroom. And now, so there's my work desk. As you can tell, I can't work on it right now. Here's my Alex drawers, paper pads, another Alex drawer down there, stuff falling. Look at this, stacked to the ceiling of crap. Well, not crap, but craft stuff, I should say. It's my washi tape and everything. You guys, it is, and I can't get out that way. So anytime I want to get out, I have to crawl over the bed. My TV has all my stuff. You can't even see the TV or turn it on because there's crap blocking the little sensor. So here's the table. It's just chaos, utter chaos. Filing cabinets, some boxes. So let me try to like focus this camera. So this is like the main L-shaped desk that was in my room. We're adding a window, but it's been raining like crazy, so we can't cut out the window part yet. And then like a walkway over here on the behind the door, but I don't want to go in there. It's all like too dusty. So I will have walls, you guys. I'm so excited. Really. Get out of there. So that is a little update, and I won't be crafting for a while just because everything got moved out now. Oh, joys of remodeling.